Today we begin the process of saying goodbye to an old friend, but saying hello to a new one that delivers on our Woods brand promise of superior design, superior durability, and superior style. Say hello to a new generation of BrushBulls in the form of our new BB72.30, which replaces our BB72X. And today I'm going to tell you all about the amazing features that we built into this new generation of BrushBulls that's sure to please you and sure to please your customer base. I'm going to begin by talking about some of the features where we've added durability and stability to our new generation of BrushBulls. To begin, in the back of the cutter, we've improved the strength of our tail wheel in the form of the arm and the fork. We've added weight to our crossbar, and the overall weight of the BB72.30 is going to be more than the BB72X. Our bumper has been redesigned in the form of a Z-shape high-strength steel that is over twice the thickness of our next nearest competitor and is going to give out a beating and keep on giving it out. Our deck, as we have in other cutters, we've really improved by taking components off the deck so that material makes its way off and it makes it much easier to clean. We've invested in our already industry-leading quick change blade technology by adding the greaseable blade pin feature to our BrushBulls, by keeping our large blade access window, by adding rear baffling as standard, by going to a standard 1/2 inch by 4 inch long blade, and last but not least, increasing our side skirt depth, all giving you a superior cut quality than you've been even used to on our previous generation of BrushBulls. We have taken our already full-length skid shoe and added the bolt-on feature to it so that when the time comes to replace your skid shoe, it can be done even easier than on the BB72X. Our gearboxes, we have kept our 6-year industry-leading gearbox warranty. We are going to be pre-filling the gearboxes with oil from the factory. And in addition to that, on a running change basis, we'll be adding the thumb screw dipstick as well as the advanced seal technology that you've seen come out on many of our other rotary cutters. At the front of the cutter here, we have improved a couple features. The first is we've tapered the front here so that when the operator goes to connect the cutter to the tractor, they have a little bit more room to work with between the cutter and the tractor tire. We have added a driveline holder so the operator can just set this down off of the arm, connect the driveline to the tractor PTO, and when complete, can easily store the driveline holder on the arm with just the movement of a pin. All of our BrushBulls will also be quick hitch ready so that for those that operate with a quick hitch, they can simply lift it up and off they go with our new BrushBull. You can find out more information by contacting your DM or calling 1-800-31-WOODS.